So the next part of the investigation looks at normative data. Okay, so the first part tasks you with looking at the previous results stated. So we're looking at 3 subjects again. So in this first column, fill in the table, you need to write your subject's name. Then in the second column, we're writing their flexibility score. Okay, so far we've got 3 scores, but this box here, you have to put their resting flexibility score, because this is what normative data we can compare against. Okay, once we've got that score, okay, what we need to do is we need to look at our table and we need to say, right, where does our subjects fit in compared to normative data? So for example, if their score was 4, okay, we're going to fit in this average category here. So what we'd write up here is average. You need to make sure you do this for your 3 subjects. So subject's name in the first column, then their resting flexibility score, and then this N column, you're writing where does their result fit compared to normative data. Okay, so once you've done that, we now need to detail this in comparing our subjects' flexibility scores to our normative data. So in here, what we need to do is we need to comment on our subjects, their scores, and also where they fit compared to normative data. Again, in full sentences here, because we're looking to explain their scores and say, right, this is their score, where does it fit against the normative data? So that's where we need to make comparisons there. We also, in this section, have to explain the differences between our subjects and why those differences may be within their scores. So, for example, was it to do with their training? Was it to do with the sports that they play? So think about those things as we go through and fill in this section of your investigation.